This is my budgies. So that's Tweety. She's my female. And then that's Snowflake. He's kind of a blue budgie with gray. And there's Mellow. He's Mellow yet? Well, hello, Mellow. How are you, Mellow? And that's Mr. Gray. Mr. Gray, can you come out and play, Mr. Gray? Can't see because of the lighting, huh? Mr. Gray is all gray with a yellow face. He's very pretty. I need those two to get scared. Well, hello, Mr. Gray. There's my Tweety girl. I think she's the only female I have. See her. What are you doing, Tweety? And she has green underneath her. Mr. Gray. Mr. Gray. Tweety bird. You guys are all hiders, aren't you? What are you doing, Mr. Gray? Well, hello, Mr. Gray. He's really gray. And that one looks like an owl to me. He has white with gray speckles and blue underneath. He would have made a good blueberry tooth. And that one's beautiful. I named him Yellow because he reminds me of the old Mellow Yellow cans. He's green and yellow. And there's my beautiful boy. Look at how purple his beak is. And there's my Tweety girl. She's been with me for 9 years, huh, Tweety? You an old lady? What is on your thing? Let me see you. What is that? Did someone poop on you? Yeah, she's being a brat. Usually she'll come to me, but she's being shy. Well, hello, Snowflake. Snowflake. What are you guys doing? You pretty birds. Oh, you scared? You guys are babies, huh? Yeah, and there's my Mr. Gray. Mr. Gray doesn't like to be seen. He's our newest one. I can't tell if Mellow's going to be a boy or girl. I think he's a boy. Look how pretty he is. He's actually has like turquoise underneath too of his bottom area. So he's got like turquoise and blue and green and yellow. You are so pretty, boy. You're a pretty boy. You're a pretty boy. There's my Tweety girl. What are you doing, Tweety birds? What are you doing? Oh, you're gonna be shy? I just wanted to show you my birds.